Hello guys, welcome to my new video, and in this video I will be discussing terminating and non-terminating numbers. So let's begin. Now what is terminating? Terminating numbers are the numbers which have a definite ending to it. Okay, which have an ending. Okay, so they're ending at a point. Okay, for example, 0.36. Now this number is not getting, like, it doesn't have any numbers after 6, right? Now one more example, it is 0.536689001. Now this number is getting ended, it has a point where it is getting ended. Okay, so this we can call it as terminating number. Now what is non-terminating numbers? Non-terminating numbers. Okay, non-terminating numbers are the numbers which don't have an ending. It will just keep on going and going and going till infinity. Okay, non-terminating numbers are the numbers which do not have an ending. Okay, for example, 0.66666, and it will just keep on going. Now, to represent such a large number, we have to use a certain method. Okay, it is 0 point. Now, if the 6 is just keep on going and going and going, so we can't write that in a single page. Okay, that will be a really long and time wasting process. So we can write 0.6 bar. Okay, 0.6 bar. Okay, this bar represents that the number is never ending. It will just keep on going and going. But to save time, you have to just put a bar on it, on that number. Now there are different numbers. Suppose, for example, 0.23333. Now this number can be represented like this: 0.23 bar. Okay, this is important one. 0.3 bar. Okay, now you have to understand that if a number, suppose this is 2, it is not getting repeated. Okay, only 3 is getting repeated n number of times. Then make sure not to put a bar on 2, only put the bar on 3, because that is a number which is never ending. Okay, now let's discuss conversion of pure recurring decimals to the form p by q. Now, what is the meaning of recurring? Recurring, the meaning is repeating. Same number being repeated infinitely. For example, if we take 0.66666 and it will just keep on going till infinity. Now this is a pure recurring number. Okay. Now let's discuss how to convert them. Okay, there is a special technique that you need to apply, or let's just say a special method, not a technique, which is, let's convert 0.6. Okay, this is our first question. Let's convert 0.6 bar to the form p by q. Now how are we going to do this? First of all, we need to take x. Okay, x is equal to 0.6 bar. Okay, so this is going to be your first equation. Now you have to multiply 10 with x and your number. So it will become 10x is equal to 6.6 bar. Okay, now this is our equation 2. Now we have got our equation 1 and equation 2. Now we have to subtract equation 1 from 2. Subtract. So here it will be 10x minus x is equal to 6.6 bar minus 0.6 bar. Okay, this bar will get cancelled. So this is 9x is equal to 6. Now, if we shift 9 to that side, it will become 6 upon 9. Right? Now, after doing the division, we will get 2 upon 3 as our answer.